In April 2023, the European Commission published the Draft Delegated Act on Environmental Taxonomy, which develops the non-climate environmental objectives of the taxonomy, such as the sustainable use and protection of water and marine resources, the transition to a circular economy, the prevention and control of pollution, and the protection and restoration of biodiversity and ecosystems. In addition, along with this new Delegated Act, amendments to the previous ones have been included. On the one hand, new economic activities are introduced that substantially contribute to the first two climate objectives, adaptation and mitigation. Secondly, new dates for disclosing the corresponding information, including these new targets, are included so that financial and non-financial companies will report eligibility for 2024. From 2025, non-financial companies will report alignment, and financial companies will report alignment from 2026. The consultation period closed on the 3rd of May 2023, and the estimated final publication date is not yet disclosed. This technical note summarizes the main novelties of both the new Delegated Act on Climate Taxonomy and the amendments introduced to the previous one.